So in this slide, we will see the pronunciation of Ras. So there are two types of Ras. The first one is Ra, Ra. The second one is Ra, Ra, Ra. So this Ra is called Chinnara or Idainara. This is small Ra. And this one is called Periyara or Vallinara. The big Ra. When you pronounce this small Ra, your tongue has to touch the tip of the palate and it should sound medium. Just say with me Ra. So your tongue actually has to touch the tip of the palate and sound medium. Ra, Ra. And this big Ra has to be pronounced like your tongue has to touch the middle of the palate and sound strong. Ra, Ra, Ra. Let's see an example for small Ra. Irai, Irai. Irai means food. Irai, Rai, Rai. So this Rai sound strong from the middle of the palate. Irai means God.
If you enjoy this video and want to learn more, check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.